I would like to introduce to you the key features of the HS158-320-345W-120M solar module series manufactured by Horay Solar. Monocrystalline solar cells with innovative PERC design provide an output of up to 345 watts peak and conversion efficiency with up to 20.4%. Advanced 158.75mm half-cell technology, together with innovative Perk technology, makes these suitable to a vast range of solar applications, from small rooftop installations to large solar parks, allowing for a lower balance of system costs, minimisation of the installation area, and higher yield per square metre. Perk Technology, short for passivated emitter and rear contact, adopts an additional passivation layer added to the back of the solar cells, bringing several important benefits such as better light absorption, reduced electron recombination, and decreased heat inside the modules, which results in better efficiency compared with traditional modules. Stability of energy generation is guaranteed with positive power tolerance of up to 3% of rated power output. 9 busbars cell design brings more advantages, allowing for smaller electric current, lower cell to module losses, and further minimisation of hotspots risk. A sturdy design with a 3.2mm tempered glass and anodised aluminium frame ensures protection from mechanical impact and severe weather conditions, with wind loads of up to 2,400 Pascal and snow loads of up to 5,400 Pascal. An IP68 rated junction box with 3 bypass diodes provides excellent protection to the module's electrical wiring. It is dust tight and water resistant, ensuring stable and reliable operation. 10 years product warranty and linear performance warranty for 10 and 25 years of 90% and 80% of power output respectively ensure the safety of your investment. This product has multiple certifications, industry standard. Its design conforms to IEC 61215 and safety to IEC 61730 issued by the TÜV Certification Bureau, as well as European CE, Chinese CQC and so on. Our payment options include 30% prepayment with the rest before shipping. For shipping, the following configuration is used: 30 modules per pallet and 832 pieces in a 40-foot high cube container. Besides China, we also have local warehouses in Malaysia and Rotterdam. Horay Solar is an experienced photovoltaic industry company focusing on the development and production of solar cells, modules and power systems. We have advanced production equipment, strict quality control and highly professional staff with annual output capacity of up to 500 megawatts. We gained vast experience in the industry, allowing us to make high quality products popular with customers worldwide. Horay Solar always strives to create more value for our customers, constantly upgrading our cutting-edge technology. The purpose of our group is to supply cost-effective solar products to our clients worldwide.